Insider threats, the enemy within. While external threats receive significant attention, organizations also face risks from within their own ranks. Insider threats, whether intentional or accidental, can result.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description. Before
In significant data breaches and financial losses. In fact, studies show that insider incidents account for nearly 30% of data breaches. Insiders with authorized access to sensitive information can abuse their privileges, intentionally leak data, or engage in malicious activities. Additionally, accidental insider incidents can occur due to human error or negligence, such as employees mishandling data or falling victim to social engineering. Preventing insider threats requires a comprehensive approach that includes implementing strict access controls, monitoring employee behavior, conducting thorough background checks, and providing regular cybersecurity training. Organizations can effectively mitigate the risks posed by insider threats and protect their valuable assets by adopting a culture of security and promoting employee awareness. Internet of Things, IoT, vulnerabilities, bridging the gap. The increased use of Internet of Things brings new challenges for cybersecurity. Interconnected devices like smart home appliances or industrial control systems often lack sufficient security protections, making them vulnerable to cyber attacks. Exploiting IoT flaws can result in serious repercussions, such as unauthorized access to private information, the disruption of vital infrastructure, and even physical injury. To take over IoT devices, hackers use obsolete software, unsecured connections, and weak passwords. To bridge the gap and bolster IoT security, it is crucial for manufacturers to prioritize security during the design and development phase. This involves implementing strong encryption, regular software updates, and robust authentication mechanisms. Users also play a vital role by practicing good IoT hygiene, such as changing default passwords, securing Wi-Fi networks, and staying vigilant against suspicious activities. Cloud security challenges, navigating the skies. Business operations have changed as a result of the use of cloud computing, which provides scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency. It also presents certain security difficulties, though. The huge amount of sensitive data kept in cloud settings makes them ideal targets for attacks. Organizations face a variety of cloud security challenges, including risks for data loss, unauthorized access, and setup errors. Strong access controls, encryption, regular vulnerability assessments, and checking for unusual activity are all necessary for ensuring reliable cloud security. Businesses may use the cloud's capabilities while protecting their data by being aware of these problems and implementing strong security procedures. To keep a safe and robust digital infrastructure, organizations should place a high focus on cloud security. How to strengthen your cyber defense? When it comes to defending against cyber threats, there are several key areas to focus on. Let's explore some effective strategies to bolster your cyber defense. Network security. To protect your digital assets, it's essential to build a strong network security infrastructure. Firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and virtual private networks, VPNs, must all be put into place in order to do this. You can identify and stop unauthorized actions by establishing a secure network architecture, putting access rules in place, and keeping an eye on network activity. Security awareness and training. Human error remains one of the weakest links in cybersecurity. We'll emphasize the importance of security awareness and training programs in creating a cyber-resilient culture. From educating employees about common threats to conducting simulated phishing exercises, you'll discover strategies for fostering a security-conscious workforce. Endpoint security. Endpoints, including laptops, smartphones, and IoT devices, are often the first line of defense against cyber threats.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.